Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a disability card. First, you'll want to understand the specific eligibility requirements in your area. These can vary, so checking with your local government is a great starting point. Next, begin collecting all the essential documents you'll need. This preparation will make the application process much smoother for you. When gathering your documents, focus on 3 key areas. You'll definitely need a valid form of identification, like your state ID or driver's license. Crucially, obtain comprehensive medical documentation from your doctor detailing your disability. Finally, be ready to provide proof of your current residency, perhaps a recent utility bill or lease agreement. Once your documents are ready, it's time to complete the official application form. Fill it out carefully, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Then, submit your application along with all your supporting paperwork to the designated agency. Sometimes, an interview or further medical evaluation might be part of the process, so be prepared for that possibility. After submitting your application, the waiting period begins. Processing times can vary, often taking several weeks, so patience is key. You'll receive an official notification by mail, informing you whether your application has been approved or denied. If approved, your new disability card will then be conveniently mailed directly to your address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.